Hey guys, welcome to the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First, I'm going to prep the skin with Mario Badescu Lavender Skin Spray. Then I'm going to prime with my Cover FX Blurring Primer. Next is eyebrows. I'm going to fill them in with my eyebrow pencil. And then I'm going to take a dark brown and a light brown and fill in any gaps that I might have missed. Now I'm going to define my brows with a Shape Tape concealer with an angled brush. Alright, now I'm priming my eyes with the same concealer. And then I set that with a light colored cream shadow. Now I'm taking my Jaclyn Hill palette and I take the yellow shade and buff that through my crease. And I take it a little bit on the lid as well. I switch between different brushes to get the best blend I can possibly get. Now I'm taking a light brown color and sweeping that through my crease. I'm just defining the light brown a little bit more. Now I'm taking a darker brown and I'm going to put that on the very outer corner and just take the excess on my brush and put that closer into my inner quarters. Now I'm going to cut the crease. I'm taking the Shape Tape concealer and a flat brush to make a nice base for my shimmer shadow to go on top of. Now I pack that shadow on. This is just a light color from the Jaclyn Hill palette, the shimmers at the top. And now I'm adding a little bit more brown and I'm blending out the harsh edges from where I added the concealer and the shimmer shade. Now I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way foundation and Revlon Color Stay and blending that all over. I use the brush, that way I can get around my eyes and not mess up my eyeshadow, and then I'm going to blend it a little bit better with my Real Technique sponge. Now I'm highlighting and concealing with my Shape Tape. Now I'm taking my Peach Perfect powder and I'm baking with it underneath my eyes. And then I'm going to set my face with the rest of that powder that's on my face. Now I'm going to blend some more on the top of my eyes. And also I'm going to finish my eyes, well, the eyeshadow, and do the underneath part. Now I've got my Park Avenue Princess Chisel palette to contour and bronze the face, and then I take a blush from Note and add it to the backs of my cheeks because I don't want it to be too prominent on the apples of my cheeks, because I feel like it makes my face just a little bit rounder than I like. So I like to focus it on the back. Now I'm going to highlight. The first one I'm using is going to be the Pixie by Petra. And I just mix the two shades in there. And I put it basically everywhere. And then I'm going to be taking the Desi X Katie Dose of Colors Fuego. I'm just adding a little bit of that on top. Every single product that I've used in this video will be linked below. Well, it'll be listed below, sorry. Now I'm taking the Makeup Revolution liquid eyeliner. I'm just lining the tops of my eyes so that my lashes blend better. Now I'm adding mascara, and then I'm going to add my lashes. Now while I'm waiting for my lash glue to dry, I'm just highlighting the inner corner and the brow bone. Now I have my lashes on, and I'm going to line my lips with this Maybelline lip liner. And then I've got a Revlon lippy to put on. And then I'm going to take the Dose of Colors Desi X Katie collab, and I'm just going to dab that on my mouth because I didn't want to ruin the wand on the lip gloss. Alrighty, that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all come back for the next one. Here's a little close-up. Alrighty. Thank y'all. Bye.